to your channel. My name is Martin. I wish you have a great day. Today we make a dish called fried potato, green pepper, and eggplant. And this is a dish Chinese name called 地三鲜. It's an old style 地三鲜. The main ingredient we need is just the potato. We'll put it from old plant farm. And the pepper also, yeah, it's good pepper from old plant farm. Yeah, I have this yellow one, so I make it one or two of them, make it beautiful. And the eggplant. Yeah, we use those 3 ingredients and 2 garlic to make this dish. Those are all the main ingredients we need. We cut the potato because it's small potatoes. I think the potato we need probably 2 big potatoes. Yeah, it's enough. I have those potatoes. Those are very fresh ones. So we cut those. If it's very tiny potatoes, it's the more better. So we cut it. So it'll be like this big. This one we don't need to soak in the water because it will be okay there. Because of paper like this, just cut it one. This is how the potato, after we cut it, look like. Remember those potatoes, we cut it, we don't soak in the water because we fry it very quickly. So we don't worry about the color change. So those potatoes we don't soak in the water because we will fry it. We don't have it deep fried. Don't have this too much water on it. Now we cut the pepper. Pepper piece. Yeah, for the peppers, and we don't need a knife, we just peel it. Probably get this big to see the hand to peel it or quick. Yeah, you can choose how big you want it. It's not too big, not too small. Those are pepper after we cut to pieces, look like. Okay, we cut eggplant, we peel this part off, eggplant off, this part off, and then we cut the eggplant. With the eggplant, we cut it just like this, cut it. We turn the eggplant, we try to cut it not too big, and also just roll the eggplant. Not too small, just roll it. Roll the eggplant. Now put the eggplant into So this is the eggplant. If the eggplant looks like after we cut it. And those eggplant we will process it. We need to add 1 teaspoon of any starch. We add potato starch. You can add any starch. Corn starch is also okay. Use the starch as well. This is the potato starch. We do this so one eggplant have a starch on it, so when we will fry it, so the eggplant won't absorb too much oil. I think we put one more teaspoon of starch. Like this. You can see the eggplant is covered with starch, so when you fry it, you want to absorb too much oil. Okay, cut some little patty. Now let's do medium fair. This is the vegetable oil. Add 2 to 3 cups of vegetable oil to it. And then rinse the pot. We add a potato into the sea. So the oil started frying. We add the potato into the oil and slowly set the pot. Be careful with hot oil. Okay, just fry the potato. When the potato is out, become crunchy and inside become soft, and you use the chopstick easy to poke through this potato. That means the potato is done cooking, is cooked, it's fully cooked. So we drain the oil. We drain the oil. We drain the oil. Put the potato and drain the potato, the oil. Drain the oil. We added the eggplant into it to fry it. Be careful with hot oil. Fry the eggplant. Now we put in the fire to the high fire to fry the eggplant. When the eggplant becomes, you can see it become very soft, it's fully cooked, and you easily can use the chopstick to poke through. Then we pick up the eggplant and drain the oil. We drain the oil of the eggplant. Now we put the pepper into it to fry the pepper, to deep fry the pepper. We use the high fire to fry the green pepper. When the pepper is fried, as the skin you see it become like this, you see the skin already shrink and it kind of start dry. Then you just drain the oil of the pepper till this pepper is ready. You just turn off the fire and drain the oil of those peppers. Now we make a liquid starch. We add 1 teaspoon of potato starch. You can add any starch, cornstarch also, okay? Then we add 2 tablespoons water to it. We add 2 tablespoons water to it. We make a liquid starch and put it in for later use. medium and air fryer. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to 2 tablespoons. When the oil is hot, we add garlic to fry. Now we add all the fried green pepper and eggplant and tomato and potatoes into it. And just fry. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. 1 teaspoon of salt to it. This is the soy sauce and 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. And fry the pot, set the pot. Chicken flavor soup baked mixture, add a pinch to it. Use the to mix like this, not like this, just like this, to fry. And try the flavor. It's good. This is the liquid starch we mix it. Now we add the liquid starch to it. Slowly add it to it. Like this. So we see this liquid stick up. Now put this down. We put this dish into a plate. Now off the stove. This is the fresh garlic, and put it into the garlic squeeze stuff, and we will squeeze some garlic on this dish. So just put the garlic on. If you have scallion, you chop scallion, you can also add some chopped scallion on the top. This we just add some garlic on top. So this dish is done. Hope you like it.